We hit 100,000 views. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyeka Adidayo. I'm a full stack marketer and community builder. I started this channel last year, late June, and as of now, we're now at 100,000 views. I am super excited about this milestone, and I just want to say a very big thank you to everyone who keeps watching, who subscribes, who recommends my video to other people. I do not take it for granted, and I am super grateful. Now, this is the first video in 2026, and I know that a lot of you have questions. I've been seeing your questions in the comment section. Some persons have reached out to me, and as is becoming our norm, since this is like the first official video, we're going to be answering questions. So I hope that you're ready. We're going to start off with the most obvious question. Unika, where have you been? Well, I really wanted to come back to YouTube after I crossed 100,000 views. I thought that that would be a very good milestone, and also it would give other content that I have created time to reach more people. So I'm really sorry that you've not gotten anything new from me, in the last couple of months, but that is going to change. We are back on track and we're going like back to back to back. Next question. What can we expect this year? And I just want to tell you this year, expect practicals. I am executing massively this year, and I'm going to be sharing the result of each of the things that I'm testing on this channel. I'm also going to be having some live classes, live sessions, because sometimes a short video is not enough. I need to show you, I need to take you by the hand and just walk you through these things. So yes, we are going to be having live sessions this year. We'll also be having educational content as usual around digital skills, marketing, Web3, and anything else that sort of like just interests me. For instance, taxes. The next question says, how can I get a remote job? Now, this was one of the most asked questions on this channel, and I literally had to do a live session late last year where I walked you through step by step all the things that I do and did to get a remote job. The video is available for you to watch. It's not hidden, it's on this channel. So please knock yourself out, go there, learn, get a remote job, tell me your story. I cannot wait to celebrate with you. Next question. Where can I get remote jobs? Yeah, people also ask this. Although I've answered this severally, I'm still going to say it again. Online. The job you're looking for, it is online. Yes, I said it with my full chest. And online means different things. I mean, there's so many things online. There are communities online, there are social media platforms online, there are volunteer opportunities online. You can cold DM people online. Like all the opportunities are online, guys. I'm not even joking, right? Take advantage of social media platforms, take advantage of communities, take advantage of volunteering opportunities. If you're interested in cold DMing, I have a video here where I taught how to cold DM. I did a cold DM on LinkedIn. I got a job that was paying around 20 to 25 USD per hour, and I shared what I did. So you can go watch it, right? I'm literally giving you all the tools. Take advantage of it and use it to your benefit. Next question. How do I join your community? Oh, this question was so popular. A lot of you have been asking, how can I join the community? Some of you have said, oh, I applied to join your community, I've not been accepted. So many things. Let me start off with the first one. To join the community, you would usually find the community link in the video description. Every video that I create, I put the community link. You can also find it on my YouTube bio. And sometimes you can see it in the comment section because a lot of people ask me in the comments and I drop the link right there. So please do your due diligence, look through these sessions that I've mentioned, and you definitely get the link to join the community. Now, for those of you who have applied severally and haven't been given access, I'm also sorry about that. So we've been having a little bit of issue with our email tool. We expect that will be resolved before the ending of March. And once we resolve that, you're going to get your onboarding email welcoming you to the community. Moving on, this one says, what are your goals for YouTube in 2026? Guys, to hit 10,000 subscribers. Okay, I'm just kidding, but I really want to get monetized. So please, if you know anyone who can benefit from watching my videos, get them to subscribe. Thank you. Next question. How do we connect with you? Guys, I'm not hidden. I'm everywhere. You can reach me via Telegram. You can reach me via my email address. You can reach me via LinkedIn. You can reach me on any social media platform, basically. You can reach me via the community. You can reach me via my portfolio. Like, I'm literally everywhere, and I'm not kidding. Now, next question. What digital skills are you doubling down on in 2026? I am a full stack marketer, quite all right, but I do have areas that I really want to be perfect, 100% in. Some of those areas include one, growth marketing. This year, I want to really get into the nitty gritty of growth marketing, acquisition, activation, revenue, retention, and all of that. So I'm definitely going to be doing, developing my skills in that area. Another thing that I want to really learn this year is agentic marketing. So when I say agentic, I'm basically talking about the infusion of AI into marketing in this sense. And I want to learn how to use AI tools very efficiently and also speedily to achieve desired results for companies. I've already begun, but I mean, it's part of my goals this year to really get good with agentic marketing. And then finally, media buying. I've always ran from adverts, social media adverts, Google adverts. But this year, I have no choice. I have to get fully immersed in running ads. And of course, I've begun to practice. But yeah, that's basically where my head is at for 2026. And these are the things that I want to learn in 2026. But I really want to hear from you. What are the skills that you really want to learn in 2026? What are the areas you're niching down on? I may have resources or I may just have something that can really help you. So put it in the comment section. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to see you again next week with a video that will definitely blow your mind. Bye.